So our trip to Sequoia is now over. A new day, and now we are headed off to Mariposa where we'll be staying, and from there we'll drive down to Yosemite. So next 3 days will be at the much awaited Yosemite National Park. And the weather, I've said it's going to be cloudy and rains, but so far it seems the weather gods are kind to us. So it's, as you can see, it's blue and sunny and beautiful weather. What time is it now? It's 10:30. So we'll be headed towards Fresno, where we'll have a quick lunch or brunch kind of thing, and then head over to Yosemite. Tista is planning to go to steal some oranges from the local orange farms, and these look amazing.
Local shop, but they accept only cash, and I just have $2 freaking with me, so I'm asking her to give me whatever she can. Thank you so much.
Enough to give us so many strawberries for just $2. And just look at one strawberry. This is the size of my palm.
Let me smell it. Wow. This is the actual strawberry smell.
क्या smell है यार.
We are here at our next destination.
Guess what we found?
You know why? Because my dear hubby, who is a pure vegetarian, he doesn't even eat eggs. बेचारे को कुछ खाना ही नहीं मिल पा रहा अच्छा 2 दिन से. So he searched for Indian food, and we have found insane Indian level ka dhaba for the truck drivers here. Gem of a fine babes.
I know.
Hopefully he'll get good food here.
This area is famous for oranges, so we got some freshly squeezed orange juice, but with a desi twist. It has got chaat masala inside it. It's outstanding.
एकदम ऐसा लग रहा है कि इंडिया के किसी वो दिल्ली जयपुर है वही के ढाबे पे बैठ के पी रहे हो. Next level taste.
Food is here. Gobi paratha.
Massive.
It might be like 24 inches. And there is garlic naan, and we have chicken curry. So we're gonna try it now.
Mariposa, our next location, where we'll be staying for the next 2 days, next 2 nights and 3 days, and we'll be traveling to Yosemite National Park from here.
So we're now checking into our room. Wow. Good morning, guys. Yesterday evening we realized that one of the tires was punctured in the car and that need to be fixed. So Mariposa is a small town. It just has only one shop, one tire shop, and it was closed by the time we came last evening. So today morning, after having quick breakfast at the hotel, we are here at the shop The shop is already booked with a couple of appointments, but we are in the queue, and once it's done, we're gonna get the tire fixed, and after that we're gonna head up to Yosemite, and hopefully the weather is gonna be good, so let's see how it goes.
Finally on the road, and now we are going to the Yosemite National Park. Beautiful views and beautiful blue sky as of now. Hoping that it stays like this.
As you drive through Yosemite National Park, the scenery transforms into a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's grandeur. Towering granite mountains rise majestically on either side of the road, their rugged peaks reaching towards the sky with an imposing presence. The sunlight dances on the sheer rock faces, casting ever-changing shadows and highlights that accentuate the dramatic contours of the landscape. As you wind through the valleys and meadows, each turn reveals a new perspective, a fresh angle from which to marvel at the sheer magnitude of these ancient formations. The air is crisp and clean, carrying with it the scent of pine trees and wildflowers that dot the landscape. It's a scenery overload as the sight of cascading waterfalls and lush greenery competes for your attention with the symphony of sounds. The rush of the wind, the chirping of birds, and the distant rumble of rivers carving their way through the rocky terrain. With each passing mile, you feel a deeper connection to the natural world, humbled by the sheer scale and beauty of Yosemite's granite giants. It's a journey not just through space but through time, as you witness the timeless dance of geology and weather that has shaped this landscape for millennia. As you continue your drive, you can't help but feel a sense of wonder and reverence for the place. A sanctuary of wilderness where the mountains reign supreme and where the soul finds solace in the embrace of nature's sublime beauty.
So here we are at the first viewpoint, beautiful Yosemite Valley, and on the other side you can see the Bridal Veil Fall. This is another viewing area. Look at that majestic. I mean, the video doesn't do justice of how huge it is. And this side is the El Capitan meadow, and you can see the views. Crazy. So now we are at the valley view, the best view of the valley at Yosemite, and look how pretty it looks. We are now taking our first hike. That's the Bridal Veil Fall hike. It's a short one, so hopefully we'll be in and out in about 30 to 45 minutes. Our next view, which is the swinging bridge picnic area. You can see a lot of people having their lunch. Beautiful there's a small beach area also, and you have the backdrop of the big domes. That's the swinging bridge.
This mountain looks like a massive barcode, all vertical black and white stripes.
True.
Beautiful one-piece stone, so huge.
Now we are doing the lower Yosemite Fall trek. So that right there is the lower Yosemite Fall, and up there is the upper Yosemite Fall. Yosemite Fall trail and walking back to the parking lot, and look what we found. The person is rock climbing. Dangerous, but so cool.
So finally we are at the very famous tunnel view, and from here you get to see the postcard image of Yosemite National Park with the half dome and the El Capitan and the falls. Looks beautiful.
So we are back to our den, and today Mr. Soham there is cooking something.
Trying to make rajma chawal using these pinto beans. There was kidney beans available in the store, but the can did not have this thing and we don't have a can opener, so we had to buy these beans. And masale ke liye we are limited to this masala and maybe the taco mix masala if needed. We have nice rice, which is garden vegetable, beans का, तो ये टेस्टी होगा. और वेजिटेरियन इंडियन फूड की तलाश में हम लोग आज खुद खाना बना रहे हैं. एंड फ्रूटफुल डे था, बहुत कुछ देखा हमने योसेमिटी में. और कल हम लोग बड़ा वाला ट्रैक करने वाले हैं, जिसके लिए सुबह टाइम से निकलना है. That's the end of today's vlog, and